Hey fam, what's good? So, most of you probably found me through the trading bot, like on my open channel. So today I am taking you inside of my live trading session, so you can see the real movies, real time. Yes, you heard well, real time. First, we check the market vibes, of course, and decide together which trade to jump on. Then, bam! You'll watch me enter trade with charts and handle risk live, no filter and no fake stuff. At the end, we'll drop 3 test signals from today's session so you can try the movies yourself and catch the rave, of course. Settle down, make yourself comfy, let's get in money. Let's go. Let's start looking for the right situation, but before that we need to install indicator on our trading panel that will help us analyze the charts, of course, and open traders. The first indicator on this current pair we will use is CCA, sorry, and the second let's use parabolic. On the second current pair we will use other indicators. Let's set the RSI indicator, and the second indicator we have the Bollinger Bands. It's good, and let's get into trading session. Okay, so let's see. So we open this current pair, and here we will open on the downside. So why did we open down? It's pretty simple here, actually. We have price approaching the moderate resistance level. That's how it looks like. And also on the CCI indicator, we have the line went over the upper boundary. And this tells us that in the future, the price will go in the opposite direction. It's really simple. And that's just a fantastic result. Our deal is closing in the plus side, and my assumptions really doesn't let me down. That's the signal, perfect time to enter. Let's do it, and the strategy worked perfectly. So we open this current pair, and here we can observe our upward trend movements. This tells us that now we will have a price reversal, because here the price has reached the upper boundary of the Bollinger Bands indicator. It can be clearly seen on the charts. As for the RSI indicator, the line is also applied moving downwards, which tells us that the price is likely to go downwards in the future. But while the market is moving, let me tell you how our trading session is going in my private clubs, because twice a day we get together and I give signals and everyone see all the logic of the trading in real time. Yes, friends, another successful move in our trading session. We take away our positive results, and the trade actually closed in our favor. So, as I suggested earlier, indeed we had price going from the upper boundary to the lower boundary, and so we came out with a positive result. So, every session you get market updates to know what's hot today, live trading. So, you see the actions live, 3 tests signal for you, press a second trading session with no delay. Plus, of course, real results and feedback from the crew. And ahead, how we roll. Let's say, first plan our trades and check the news. Then you watch me, of course, open trades, move them, and control risk. So the test signal lets you try the strategy yourself. In the second session, we'll trade live with no pause, pure market hustle. So what do we have going on with this current pair? Here we have the movement in a narrow channel, of course, which tell us that we will have the price pushing back from the lower boundary and from the upper boundary. And in this case, of course, we push it just from the lower boundary of this trading range And let's say, and are waiting for the trend reversal. Yes, interesting. As for the CCI indicator, we have the line also went beyond the lower boundary, as you can see, and this confirms our entry point into the deal. Yes, yeah. And that's another great result, and that is how we turn small deals into a big wins indeed. Your price went in the direction when needed, and we came out with another success. So we don't stop here and keep going and going. What can we notice here, what's worth paying attention to? Look, here we have the ASI line moving downward, yes, from the upper boundary to the lower boundary, and this tells us that the price will go to downward in the future. And let's check it out. Another trade closed in the plus side, and that's how my real-time methodology works. So look how quickly the price went into the right direction and closed with a positive result. Wow. But we don't stop here, our session continues. Current spread, and what do we have going on here? And here we have the price reaching a strong support level, and therefore we open on the upside. Well, we are not only relying on the indicator here, but also on technical analysis. Let us highlight this support level. That's exactly what it look like actually, and that's exactly what we are building, of course. Our deal is closing with a positive result, and I am very pleased that our strategy, as always, has worked itself out. So this proves that the analysis justifies itself. Let's move on. Here we will open on the decline from the upper boundary, and this is how I estimate the next point to enter the trade. Yes, it's important to see when a signal is actually confirmed. Here we have the price moving from the upper boundary of Bollinger. Let's check bands, and according to the ASI is also moving downwards. It's simple enough, really simple, but we keep waiting for the deal to work itself out. And so each trade today show how the strategy works step by step. This is a curve of experience for a newcomer. Yes, friends, you can see how Swixfly, the price went in the right direction, and we are taking away another one of our super suspects. My assumptions doesn't not fails me, not as always, and let's see what we have going on in another Coven's pair. After all, our trading session doesn't end there. Want to see how this stretch works on the real market? That's exactly what I saw in my live trading sessions. So let's tell you what's inside each session, and how you can benefit to watching in all lives. You get markets updates and news to know what's moving, live trading to feel the actions, 3 text signal from the first session to practice on your own, a second session with no delay for real-time practices, plus real results and feedback from traders who are winning with this system. How it works: we analyze the market and news plan trades. You watch every steps, entries risk management and adjustments, test signal, let you try the strategy yourself. In the second section, it's live, of course, trading with no pause, pure market actions and real decisions. Most importantly, you see everything live, real trades, real market, and my decisions mark process that you can follow and copy. Ready to level up? So join us and see for yourself. So next Coven's pair, and we can observe that we have a trend reversal. Therefore, we immediately open here on the upside. Look at how fast the CCI indicator line is also going. This is the key of factor that we are going to see the price go up. Here like 15 delightful results, and indeed we have price has gone for a reversal from the lower boundary to the upside. It's simple enough. We can also confirm this position, which is the support level, like connecting the price reversal, points, and indeed the price went from this boundary, it did not breach this level and work itself out properly. The deal closed, the profit is fixed and strategy does not fail. This is another successful trade in our section. Well, currency pair euro dollar. Here we will open not the price reversal but on the trend movement. Let us check with you how the deal will work out in this case. Since here we have a line moving sideways on the RSI indicator, it's not trading from the upper and lower boundary. Therefore, we are now lying simple on the trend movements. Let's check, and of course the trend movement tell us that we should open up. And yes, another trade closed with a positive results, and it's moments like this that make trading profitable and clear. And yes, it's just now some entrance. Of course, this is how my club members actually increase their income, they deposit. Let's continue our deal. What do we have going on here? Let's check. And here we will have a trade on the upside, because here we have a reversal of the trend moment. Let's see how the deal works out in this case. Our trade closed with a positive results, and the price went up in the right direction. And let's consider the following situation. Here we immediately opened lower, and here is why actually the price has pushed off the upper boundary of the Bollinger Bands indicator and is already going down. The RSI is also quite clear. The line is moving internally downward. At the moment that distinguished professional trading, when the strategy works and the market plays into our hands. The price has confidently gone in the right direction, and we have we take our positive results, of course. And let's do the final transaction with you, of course, in our trading session today. Look friends, after a prolonged downtrend in the trading, we see that we have price harvesting and going up. We also noticed this in the CCI indicator. Let us check how the deal will work on this case. It's just a fantastic result. Wow. Alright friends, that's a wrap for our first live session. Really amazing. If you want to keep getting signals, learn how to read trading and leveling up your games, stay locked in this session and you will get it. Actually, we do 2 live trading every day, Monday to Sunday. So tomorrow we will check new trading and fresh signal. Come through and grab your chance to grow and win more. Welcome to the family.